They're going to give you update for silver. Now we have a silver breakdown. Is it end of this market? Today I'm going to tell you how to sell silver because not so many people know how to sell it at the peak. Today we have a look for silver. So right now we look at silver. This is monthly chart. With my indicator up down, so far we don't have a signal. But for the OBOS, the yellow candle already happened. Okay, already we have the yellow candle. And another thing is one of the signal. Once we have the down, is maybe it's too late. Okay, so I want you to sell in time. So if this yellow candle drop below this red, this is the first sell point for monthly chart. If you buy low enough, I'm talking about if you're buying around this price or around this price, around 13, you can use this strategy. This is monthly chart. If you buy higher price, you use weekly chart or daily chart. Okay. So now we go back to the, so for monthly chart, we still not yet see the problem. But again, if you use the monthly chart to exit silver, you need to use monthly chart strategy to buy. Okay. You cannot use daily chart strategy to buy and suddenly you move, oh, I want to delay to look at the monthly chart to sell. Now we go back to the weekly chart. Weekly chart, you see the buy signal actually here is the first buy signal, and we have an up signal here. And do we have sell signal? Do we have a down signal? No. But we do have a first signal happen to tell you, hey, it's the time to go because they have the yellow. Yellow is overbought and yellow drop below the red. Although the red is still going upward, so it's still possible for weekly chart to go back up. As long as still upward, they can still go back up. But since yellow disappear and they drop below the yellow already, so this is the first sell signal for weekly chart, and you can see the money is exiting. But the good thing is they don't have a divergence, so it's still possible they can still go back up. But remember, we don't have a buy signal for weekly chart yet. Okay, we don't have, and we have the first sell signal. Basically, when we go under the red, it is getting weak. Okay, and we don't have any buy signal yet for silver. So something you need to be alert. This is daily chart. The daily chart, the up down will come up earlier than weekly chart. You see the down is earlier, the up, okay? And we have one down here, one down here. And you can see they did drop. You see the red, they did go down. The blue, not yet. So it means the market cycle is still going up. Even the blue is the regular timeline. But do we have sell signal? The answer is yes. By the way, this is only for education. I only want to tell you honestly what is going on with the chart. The first thing, yellow candle is the OBOS. This OBOS, you see here? So the OBOS, the yellow disappear and they drop below the yellow already. At the same time, not even the red, but they drop below the blue. And now they drop below the purple. So this is very confirmed. This is a sell signal. Again, if you use my strategy, you are not buying recently because recently we don't have any buy signal. The last buy signal basically is around here, $52. So you can still make really good money here. And another buy signal is here and here because they have an up. So you can add your position here and they go above the blue line. Okay. So you need to follow the buy strategy to use this my sell strategy. If you just if you just buy recently, it means I don't know what kind of method you buy. If you buy recently, either you don't follow my channel, so better click follow right now, or you have no strategy, or you use 30-minute chart to buy silver. Again, I don't recommend um, most of people for 30-minute or for 15-minute or even for 1-minute chart. I don't prefer because it's way too fast. I guess many people catching, they want to buy like here. They're not buying when it's low. Usually they signal there's a big opportunity when it's already the top. So something you need to be very, very careful when we watch the news, when everyone queuing to buy some silver, this is a worst time to buy. This is probably a very good time to sell. Okay, so right now we have a strong sell signal to confirm you, hey, this is time to sell. Now we look at money. The money also, they drop down, a big drop down, and we start to have the green chips here. Okay, so this doesn't look really good. And do we have institution come in here? Not really. Not really. But this is purchase metal. So I don't know how often do they actually, because I never studied this metal. So I just tell you honestly what's going on with the chart. The chart tell us we have a down signal. We don't have any buy signal yet. So this is the update for silver. If you like this video, click like, subscribe, share with your friend. I see you next video. Bye.